Hello everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome back to our C programming series. In this video, we are going to learn about a file handling in C and error handlings. This is a very important topic because until now we are storing data in temporary in the memory. But using a file handling, we can store a data permanently inside your files. So in this video, we learn how file handlings works in C programming and error handlings. Before start our session, if you are new on this channel, you can do like, share and subscribe my this channel, and you can click on the bell notification so you will get upcoming sessions notification on your device. So basically, what is file handling? So file handling in C allows us to store a data permanently, read a data from files, write a data into that files, and modify existing file contents. Generally, the types of files in C programming that are two types. First one is a text file and another one is a binary file. As you know, the text file means we can write or store or read a data in the text format. For example, we are storing any text file dot with txt or dot c file. Okay, data store in a character format. Okay, in text file, data will be in a character format, but in binary format the file will be in a store with the zeros and one, but humans cannot read able, right? And basically it's faster and more efficient as compared to the text files. In the file handlings, file pointers are very important because they are handled the files. File is a structure defined in a stdio.h in the header file. Whenever we want to read or write a file, we need to first open that file. So syntax here is as file pointer, fopen means file open, whatever the file name, or we can do here modes. Okay, we need to specify that modes because the file should be different in the mode. We need to open that mode, right? If you want a read a file or if you want to write a file, we need to specify that mode. So in the file there are different types of modes. As you can see here, for a reading we need to specify the R mode. Whenever you want to write or create a new file or override a file, at that time we need to specify the mode as a W. So whenever you want to append any data into existing one, we need to specify that A mode. If you want read or write that file, the specified we need to here R plus mode. Okay, when we want to read or write or override a file, we need to W plus. And when we want to read and append that file, we need to A plus. These are the different types of modes exist in the C programming. So here is an example, fopen file name and with the file mode. Whatever we want a file mode, we need to specify here. And data.txt is our file. That file we need to open. So this is the syntax. Okay, so when we want to after the close the file format, because whenever we do operations on a file, we need to close that program, but before that close the program, we need to close the file as well. So here is the syntax, fopen and fp means the file pointer we need to specify here. Okay, so when you're writing a program, so these are the different kinds of predefined functions specify the C programming. These are the predefined functions like fprintf, that means with the pointer we need to print that particular the statements. fputc and fputs, these are the print the character and strings. Similarly for the reading a file, so we need to specify the predefined functions like fscanf, fgetc and fgets. These are the predefined functions provided by the C. So here is an example. So read and write a file. So you can see here the hash include stdio.h. This is our header file, and program start with the main. So inside the main function, we provide the file pointer, basically the character text 100 here. Okay, so file pointer equal to f open that whatever you have a file name with the file mode. So fprint here will be the print the functions like uh, welcome to the file handling in C. This is the file pointer will be open in the reading format. Okay, so f close here will be the close the pointer, right? So when we want to read a file, right, we write this file, we want to read that file, so file pointer will be f open file name and in the reading mode. So fgets or text, whatever the text size of 100, file one pointer will be read that particular text and print the file contents equal to text. Whatever the text given here is, whatever the content behind the file will be print here, and finally the close the file pointer. Okay, so this is our example for the read and write file. Okay, this is the file handling in C programming. So we already did this program, bro. Okay, so every program is getting an error, so we need to handle that error as well. So in C programming, the common file errors are the file not found, permission denied, a disk full, or a null pointer exception. This kind of the exception we can occur while you're doing the file handlings in C programming. So ensure that do not crash over unexpectedly. So we need to handle the error handling in our program. Basically, while we are operation with the file, first we open that file. Okay, so while the file is opening, so we need to take care about the, don't we need to get this kind of error like a file open. If the file is not exist, so we need to check that with file pointer if it is not null. Okay, so if it is equal to null, so we can show an error as like a error opening in file. Okay, so this is one type of syntax. You can understand this. If your file is not exist, so in that case the file pointer will be a null. It should be null, so we can stop immediately that program. So here is an example of how can we do that. So hash include stdio.h is our header file, and in the your main function you can write like condition. We can check if the file pointer is equal to null, means what, the file is not exist or file not found. We can print the statement like a file not found, and we can exit one. We need to provide that code, so we will be exit that or immediately stop that your code or your program. So exit function will be the exit your program, right? It display an error as well. So pointer error, so pointer error will be show whatever the error we have mentioned if the your file and pointer is null. So next is a error number variable. So C provides a global variable error number for error detection. If you have n number of errors in your file, so file pointer if equal to 1 equal to null, so in that case the error number should be, you can display it here by using the error number. That is a global variable, right? Okay, so this is all about the file handling in C programming. So we can do here a quick revision like a file pointer. We already discussed about that, how to open a file by using the fopen function. If this is a predefined functions actually, so we can close that file. We can by using the fclose file. Whenever you want to write a program or a program into that file, we can use the predefined functions like printf, fprintf, okay, fputs, okay, and fputc. When we want to read a file like fscanf and fgetc and fgets functions, okay. So in the binary files we can write a files as well by using the fwrite and fread functions. So we can error handling by using the check null use. Okay, so p error, exit, and error number. So these are the quick revision about on the file handlings. So conclusion on this session, today we learn what is a file handling and file pointers, file modes, reading and writing in a file, and error handling in C. So do practice on these sessions, and In the next video we will be cover all these things. And if you want any okay if you found this video helpful, to make sure to like the video and share with your friends who learn C programming. If you have any doubts, or if you want to me cover any new topic in the upcoming videos, let me know in comment section below. Your suggestion really helped me to plan better and content for you. And thank you so much for your continuing support. I truly appreciate each and every member. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you.